Hi guys, welcome to the channel, Loving Keto, Ron's weight loss journey, and I'm Ron. Well, if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're a returning member, welcome back. And if you're a new member, could you please share, like, and subscribe to my channel? It helps other people know when they post the latest video like this one. And before we get started, I'm not a medical doctor. I don't make any medical claims. This is all based on my own personal journey, so please do your homework first. Well, today I decided to do my video from downtown Leominster. Welcome to downtown, beautiful Leominster. Behind me we have the one of the banks over there, and that used to be the Leominster Savings Bank over many years. And I'm sitting over here in the VIXIA Berg bar area, the seating area. It's 8:20 in the morning, and it's a beautiful morning. It's going to be very muggy today, so I thought maybe come over here and be really authentic and talk about my video this morning, and how it went for the month, and how it's going to be going for the next few days, and all that good stuff. And sorry about the noise, but it's authentic today because we're doing downtown live video. Well, video I'm recording it. So today marks the end of 97 keto results, and I didn't weigh myself in for the beginning of the month. I started the month off at 209.1. and I only gained a pound for the month. I weighed in this morning and I was 210. So I felt really good about the 210, even though I didn't have a weight loss because I was under a lot of stress this month, worrying about rides and stuff like that to Boston. So most of you know who follow me along. I'm going to have my surgery tomorrow, Monday. I'll probably do another live update in the hospital when I'm over there, and a follow up late Monday after I've done, and then I start recovering when I start coming out of anesthesia. And when I start feeling a little better to talk in front of the camera from the hospital. But for most of you that don't know, I'm going to have a hip replacement on my right side Monday. I wanted to thank my friend and neighbor Eugene. If he's watching, thank you very much. He stepped up to the plate. He brought me down to the hospital. My wife and I, Wednesday, I had all my pre-screening. Everything went well. Saturday, he went down and brought me down again Saturday for my COVID test, and that went well. And so we're very good to go for Monday. My cousin David's picking me up Monday morning, and he'll be picking me up Tuesday when they call him up and when I'm ready to come home. And we have no complications, and I don't expect it to be any because I'm in good hands. And I'm really looking forward and really getting excited about it because I've been under a lot of pain for a long time, and I'm getting tired of not even be able to walk from the bedroom to the bathroom without using the cane because I can't lean on my right side too much. And so we have another problem going on below. So Friday night when I got home from bingo, I did about a mile walk in the morning on Friday morning, and then I did a bingo night volunteering. And I have a hernia in my left side. Saturday when I got home from the hospital, it was really bulging out really bad. And it felt like the size of grapefruit. So and I was crying. I was in that much pain. I almost went to the emergency room, and I wasn't passing any gas or bowel movement for a few days. Something you don't like to talk about, but you really have to. So this past week there, Tuesday, I went to my primary, and she ordered a CAT scan, and I haven't got the appointment date yet scheduled for that, but they're going to check it with a CAT scan. And she did feel something there. And they didn't feel something there the last time that I had it checked with ultrasound. So the CAT scan will reveal more on how bad it is. But last night when I got home, I was lying down on the bed, and I was putting my two fingers like this, and I was kind of like rubbing on on it, and I was kind of like gradually working it, and eventually I was able to pop it back into place. And then I feel pretty good this morning, and I feel even better that I actually went to the bathroom today without no problem. So I'm really looking forward to this surgery for tomorrow. So we got to be down there for 7 in the morning, and they're going to be prepping me, and then surgery is going to be done at 10. Right after surgery, once I get out of anesthesia, after about an hour or two, from what I understand, they're going to try to get me up and walking me around. Now I'm going to have to learn how to walk all over again. They're going to give me a walker and any cane and anything. I got a cane, but they'll probably give me another one. But anything I need to go home with, they're going to give it to me. And I'm really looking forward to this. I've been in a lot of pain for a long time. Many of you know I love going walking. I put a tremendous amount of walking miles in over the course of my journey. It's gotten to a point now where I just can't deal with the pain anymore. So be that as it may, this morning we're going to go walking because this is the last hurrah with this hip, and I'm going to go up and down Main Street snapping out some photos with my mobile camera. And yeah, so air frying update. Oh God, I feel like such an idiot. I took the basket out of the air fryer the other day. We made something in the air fryer, and I made the 90-second keto bread, and I cut a hole in it, and I put an egg in it, and it came out really great in the air fryer. But when I was popping in the basket, that release mechanism that's on top, most of you have one of those, know what I'm talking about. I went to go release it, and it slipped out of my hands, and I went to grab the basket, and the basket thing fell out of my hands. I grabbed a hold of the basket, but the basket is the bottom, and the basket fell out of my hands, and part of it cracked, and I wasn't able to get it to lock in. So I brought it back yesterday. Told them what happened, and they were fine taking it back, and kudos for Kohl's. And I ordered another one, so that's coming in Thursday, and I'll just have to be more careful with it, and maybe realize that when you release the basket from the tray, make sure you have it on the counter, and not, from the way I was doing it. But you live and you learn, right? So want to make I made a nice ice cream recipe this week for another YouTuber. She had a regular ice cream video, and I converted it over to keto, and it came out fantastic on the strawberry flavor. So the base of that ice cream is going to be my go-to base, and I'll be making some chocolate and some various flavors of ice creams over the course of the next few weeks. I want to thank the bingo Friday night too. Anyways, I felt kind of awkward because Charlotte was calling Friday night, and she said, we got one of our workers going out for a surgery, and I just wanted to let her know, prayers. So I felt very blessed about that. So thank you very much for that. It meant a lot to me. And I don't usually get emotional about it, but I'm kind of emotional about it today. But it's been going really good. I would say, reflecting back on this month, I'm not surprised. I'm really surprised I only gained a pound because, I went off of keto a few times because I was so stressed. I had a large steak and cheese grinder from D'Angelo's on regular white bread. I don't know how many. I could have probably been packing about 3,000 calories that day. And then I had a large pizza from my favorite shop, Sienna Pizza here in the city, and I had a couple of pieces out of it, and I ate the whole rest of it. And I didn't feel guilty about it, but it just made me realize over the course of the month, and when I'm doing stuff like that when you're not accountable for what you're eating, you're going to have a bad month. And had I not had some of those cheat days, I probably would have lost the weight that I wanted to lose. I had done a 3-day egg fast, and that helped me to bounce back some of the weight off that I probably would have had gained. I knew that I was going to be where I was because Wednesday, how it worked was when I went into the pre-screening, she had me put one of those Johnnies on, and she had me go on this. Well, first she measured my height, which I measured out to be 5'6", and I thought I was 5'8", and then she weighed me up in metric, and she weighed me up in poundage, and she weighed me up at 211, so I knew where I was. So I said, okay, I'm okay with 211, and so I was okay with everything. And so going forward, I'm just going to take it easy the best I can. I'm going to be skipping the bingo for a couple of weeks to heal my body. If I feel as if I can go back on the second week, I may go back and play. I don't know, but I may just go back and let everybody know how I'm doing, and then probably just go home. So this is one time in my life I really, really have to listen to what the doctors are telling me, and I'll be fine going forward. So it's getting to be about 8:30 in the morning. I'm getting ready to kill the video, and I'm going to go walk in for a little while, go up and down the street, snapping out some photographs, and put my tripod in the car. And I don't know, I'm just reflecting back on my life and my journey and where I want to be in about a year from now. August 17th, most of you know we're coming up on my 3rd year anniversary. I still haven't gone down to under 200 pounds. That would be an achievement if I could do that in the next couple of months if I'm really careful. Now here's the kicker about the hip surgery replacement. Once I'm able to go long distance walking again without my hip not bothering me anymore, the weight should really start to fly off, because I've been really hampered and really limited to what I could do, and just because I have to like stop every 400 or 500 feet and rest my my legs on the street pole or something like that, or lean up against the cane, and when I can't get a good steady walking like that, I can't get into a good rhythm. So we're gonna hope that that's gonna change, and then once I can get walking again, and really concentrating on the journey, I think I can. I don't think I'm gonna promise that I'm gonna be down to at least under 200 pounds for my 3rd year anniversary. It takes a tremendous amount of patience, poise, and concentration and dedication to a weight loss journey, no matter who you are. You just can't expect to lose it all in one night, because it's never going to happen, guys. Most of us who have been there, we know this, and I would encourage you not to give up. You know, a lot of my recipes I put up, you know, I get it from other YouTubers. Sometimes I recreate them, and I mess up a little bit. You know, I try to give the original YouTuber creator. The 90-second keto bread one, I had questions about it, and you know, that's been around for a long time. It's not, I'm not the original inventor on any of these recipes, but I did, when they do the air frying recipes, I got a lot of recipes I want to do in the air frying, and I'll film them all out. I got this nice tripod that I bought. I really love it. It's solid. It's aluminum, but it's lightweight enough, and it extends about, I would say about 3 or 4 feet. Right now I got it on the base on a nice even table over here at the woodblock building. I'll probably snapshot a photograph of the woodblock building and show you what it looks like from this side. But yeah, it's going really, really good. It doesn't take much to make me happy there. When I was actually able to pass my Powerball with this morning, I go like that, yeah. I hate it when you're constipated like that. You can't go, and you know you have to. But you know, it's something gross we don't want to talk about, but sometimes you have to, in case you're a YouTuber and you're watching my video and you're having some of these issues. But I did go to the doctor about it, and she gave me some stuff to take, and it seems to be working. It's kind of like a muscle relaxer. I'll put the photograph in the video, but you just take it with a little bit of water, and I took it last night, and this morning when I got up, I went fine. So now I'm not going to take any more of that after we get back from the hospital, because they don't want me to have anything in my stomach. So late, when I got back from the hospital for my pre-screening, she told me they don't want anything in my stomach as far as aspirins, ibuprofen, or Motrin, or anything like that. I was allowed to do Tylenol. We picked up some Tylenol yesterday, and I felt pretty good this morning when I got up. I actually slept solid last night right up to about 3. It's about the normal time I get up anyways. And I got up and I stayed up for an hour or 2, and I went back to bed. I took a nap for about an hour and a half, and now I'm out walking this morning. But I wanted to thank my neighbor downstairs, Eugene. He really stepped up to the plate and brought me down there. And we went down there Saturday. I did a COVID test. The traffic was light going all the way into Boston. My appointment was at 10:30. I got into there was no line, and Hannah, this girl name was, I was teasing her, Hannah Banana. She says, oh yeah. So she stuck one straw up my nose, and within 10 seconds it was done. She says, if you don't hear from us, it means you're good to go. And I haven't heard from them, and so if I don't hear from them today, I'm a good candidate for hip replacement tomorrow, and we'll just let it go. And everything's in God's hands now, and I do believe in God and Jesus, and I know I have the spiritual part of it on my side, and many of you followers who believe in the faith, thank you for wishing me good luck and everything. I'll be fine, and we'll just take one day at a time after we get home from the hospital, and do what the doctors tell me, and I should be fine. And don't try to push it, and I might feel terrific and be able to walk a ton of miles afterwards, but I'm going to do whatever they tell me. That's what I'm going to do. But anyways, thank you for joining my channel. Thank you for being a part of the YouTube community, family runs weight loss journey, loving keto, and also my Facebook support group runs weight loss journey support. And be watching for some videos I'll be putting up from time to time on the new channel I got over there, Keto Cooking with Ron. I might rename that, but I'm not sure. I'm thinking about devoting a lot of that to air frying, and put all air frying videos up there, and you have like easy peasy air frying videos. and low carb channel, some not so low carb, so that way there I don't get criticized because I'm not doing keto. I don't always do keto 100% of the time. Like, you know, every now and then I'll go off for 1 or 2 days. It is what it is, you know. My wife doesn't always do keto, and you know, I got to go according to our budget. So just, you know, so you guys know. But you know, I pretty much tell her straight up the weeks I have something that is not related to the weight loss journey. But anyways, I'll let you guys go. Again, keep me in your prayers for Monday. Love you guys. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Oh, the most important thing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It helps other people know when I post the latest video. And it also helps YouTube know that I'm putting out good content. So, you know, eventually, if I can get my subscribers up to 1,000, I'll start getting money from YouTube. But if that never happens, this is all based on my own personal journey. And that's what it was all meant to do, because I wanted to document my journey, to be accountable for my weight loss, and to get involved with some support and creative support. And then, as they say, the rest of the weight is history. We have 31 pounds left to go to get down to my target weight of 180. With any luck, I should be there before the end of the year. And we're just going to keep going with the journey and continue to get healthy and going forward. But anyways, enough said. Thank you for that. Love you guys. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay vigilant. Remember, you guys are amazing, and enjoy your day. And don't forget to be thinking about me Monday at 10 o'clock in the morning when I have surgery. Have a great day, guys.